They are in love with the men. So even when you now start, you want to now prosecute these men, it is the women that will still run forward and say,
Come and say yes.
Smile so that my blackness will not. Thank you. Oh yeah, Mrs. Akamaguda, come on. Okay. You have you are not caught between who are you now helping? Because the same person you are trying to protect is the same person that is not coming back and say, do not allow the law. It's not even an act of love. Because some people have this warped thinking that, oh, the man loves me, that's why he's beating me. So I don't know where they got that from. So please, generally, we'll try to ensure that the era where the police will just take a suspect and take them to magistrate court and then forget them in prison. That era has long since gone. That is why even the chief judge does a prisons visit on a quarterly basis every year. And she reviews the entire case files of all those awaiting trial. That's why I can conveniently tell you that there's nobody in our prisons today who is in prison custody awaiting trial for 2 years. No way. But there are some persons whose trial has commenced but is dragging on. I can understand that. That's a different issue. There are several things that may lead to that. But even at that, when the trial is unusually prolonged, the chief judge also intervenes. We also intervene, can find out why the trial is not going on. The efforts of the immediate past Attorney General of Delta State is Isaiah Bozimo. He did a lot, and at every public function we have the opportunity, we always appreciate him. He did a lot for the administration of criminal justice in the state, and I'm sure by the grace of God, the things he has set on ground will not just go away. We will continue to maintain those things. So
Why we decided to give the Solicitor General this award is because the award we gave to him is Peace Ambassador. In our Association Against Child Sexual and Gender-Based Violence, we have decided that there are some people who are passionate about the peace in the home and domestic violence.
with us, so it should be sensible. So we have zero tolerance for that.
The reason why Barrister Omamuzo Erebe is nominated is because of his passion to see for zero tolerance for domestic and other forms of gender-based violence. He is passionate. In 2021, I cried to him for a case of a woman that was abandoned, and he took up the matter as if it is his own daughter, and he was so passionate, and he gave me a lawyer, and since then, even though the case lingered for some time, but today we have justice for that girl, and since then he has been following up on all cases that we find difficult in addressing. We refer to him. He has a strong department led by Barrister Kamaguna, who also is very, very available to help us. So we came today to Ministry of Justice to appreciate the whole of the Ministry of Justice staff, especially those that work directly with sexual and domestic violence. They always listen to us, and we appreciate them. So that is the reason why the head of the department, ministry, is nominated for this award, and it's a global award by the grace of God for peace ambassadors, because with domestic violence, with sexual with so much pains in the home, there is no peace in the home. So for peace in the home, there should not be domestic violence. There should be peace indeed in the home, and people who are standing, who are speaking, who are making sure that there is peace in the home, they should be recognized, and the society must so recognize them. So we are grateful to our Solicitor General, our acting Solicitor General, the PS of the Ministry of Justice, for being there for us and lis ten ing to the street people, because we are the common people. We are community-based organization and we interface. We are the first responders of these cases, and we know what these women go through, especially when they don't have anybody to go to.